Good morning, guys. This morning I want to talk to you about a flower that you should not forget when you're planting this spring, and that is milkweed. This is a tropical milkweed, which I know people will say, oh, it's better to plant native. I actually haven't seen any native milkweed out at our local nurseries yet. I've started some seeds from it, but I did see this tropical milkweed at a nursery yesterday, so I went ahead and picked some up. And spring is the time to be thinking about planting our milkweed. Whenever we wait until say end of summer, beginning of fall, and we think, oh, the monarchs are going to pass through in September, October, we got to be ready, you're a little bit too late. So I'm going to be putting these in the ground. I've already started seeds for some native milkweed that I found, and I'm going to be trying to find some at other local nurseries this spring. These are a great thing to plant in the spring that will give you a wonderful investment in the fall when all of those monarch butterflies are coming through and just gracing your yard. And the great thing about milkweed is you really only have to plant it once and it will reseed itself. It will be there forever. It's incredibly beautiful. These little flowers are just gorgeous, y'all. They are so pretty. You're gonna get lots of clusters of little flowers and you'll get a great show in the fall. Don't forget your milkweed.